Welcome to the world of Ashoka Buildcon Limited, one of the leading highway developers in India. We have a portfolio of 36 PPP projects, which is the largest in number by any private player in India. We have worked in over 19 states across the country and completed prestigious projects for central as well as state governments. Delivery excellence is in our DNA, and to endeavor the same, we are here yet again to undertake the construction of 8-lane Vadodara-Kim Expressway in the state of Gujarat under NHDP Phase 6th on Hybrid Annuity Mode, Package 4th, including the iconic 8-lane Extradose bridge over River Narmada. This shall be India's first 8-lane Extradose bridge and is being targeted to be completed in a record time of 27 months. Out of the total project cost of Rs 1,350 crores, the bridge is being constructed with an expected expenditure of Rs 750 crore. The bridge has been designed to ensure that all navigational requirements are fulfilled. This 8-lane bridge is 2.2 km long, which is being constructed using segmental box girder technology. 2 carriageways of 4 lanes each have been envisaged with a deck width of 21.25 meter each. The Extradose portion of the bridge is 1020 meter long with 600 meter of bridge viaduct on each side of the Extradose portion. The Extradose portion bridge consists of 2 modules with a length of 510 meters each. The span arrangement of each module portion is 1/75 plus 3/120 plus 1/75 and shall be supported on twin pylons. There shall be such 16 twin pylon piers, each with a height of 13 meters from deck level and 33 meters from ground level. The span length of the bridge viaduct on either side of the Extradose bridge is 48 meters. The project work was commenced in December 2018 and the mobilization activities started at breakneck speed immediately thereafter. Land was acquired for temporary and permanent works was done at a frantic pace with the support of NHAI PIU. Ashoka Buildcon has done capex of around Rs 250 crores in this mega project. It has bought in brand new equipment of more than Rs 150 crore on this project. This includes 11 gantry cranes, 2 launching girders, 3 vibro hammers and 8 pairs of specially designed segment lifters, each of capacity of 150 tons, more than 80 pre-stressing jacks and power packs. Other than this, 4 casting yards with a cumulative length of 2 km have been commissioned at a cost of Rs 40 crore for casting of 1228 segments using the long line method. Ashoka Buildcon has mobilized more than 14,000 MT of structural steel worth Rs 55 crores for temporary and auxiliary works in addition to the overall project requirement of 30,000 MT of reinforcement and 700 MT of Extradose cables, which are imported from Germany. The total concrete of only bridge portion is more than 168,000 cubic meters. In the bridge viaduct portion, piling was completed in all respects in a period of 4 months and as on date, 90% of pier cap is completed. The segment launching work are expected to commence post-monsoon in the month of October 2019. The Extradose portion of the bridge is a highly technical, challenging and complex part of the project. After completion of pile cap in the river portion, the lower pylon casting is completed in 6 stages. The final lift of 2.3 meter projects the reinforcement of the Castan Setu pier table. The length of the pier table in the longitudinal direction is 12 meter, out of which 3 meters on either side of the central line shall be casted and thereafter the balance 6 meter shall be casted. The pier table shall be stressed in transverse direction using 19 DP 15 multiple jacks of capacity of more than 500 T. Once the main 6M segment of Castan Setu pier table achieves a strength of 50 MPa, a tower crane of height 24 meter is erected to enable the construction of the upper pylon. Each of the 4 upper pylons are 16 meter in height and shall be casted in 6 lifts. In each lift, a DINA link is fixed with precision so as to match the profile of the Extradose cables. After completion of the upper pylon, the tower crane is dismantled and arrangement is made for the erection of the segment lifters. Each set of segment lifter weighs about 60 tons and is erected in parts using hydraulic crane of 75T. Once the segment lifter is erected and commissioned, segment is placed directly under the segment lifter. The segment is then placed and positioned simultaneously by both lifters and stressing is done from both ends. Thereafter the segment is released and lifter is moved in position for the next segment launching. This cycle is repeated for the entire module. The overall time completion of the entire project is dependent on the early completion of the Extradose portion. In the Extradose bridge portion, the geotechnical investigation was done by mounting rotary bore machines on a specially designed barge arrangement in the river portion, and simultaneously work was begun to construct 600-meter temporary bridge designed to safely carry a 150T segment. 5 high-capacity hydraulic piling rigs with more than 65-meter galley length were mobilized to carry out the piling works. The pile cap work was carried out on a phased manner owing to tidal variations of more than 5 meters. As on date, all pile caps have been completed and more than 50% of pylon piers stand completed. The lower pylon of the Extradose portion is now being taken up at a fast pace, and further works of pier table segment launching using segment lifters are expected to be done in December 2019. We have taken up the enormous challenge to deliver this project in record time. Thank you.